A lot of strange things happen all the time in our crazy world. I'm sure you're not ready for this. The SEC lost its case against Ripple in court, but that's not the big news. The head of the company also says that XRP Ripple could reach $333 or even more by the end of the summer. You'll be amazed by that video for sure. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene, a lot of people in the cryptocurrency world are paying attention to the latest developments in Ripple's ongoing fight with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The story about whether XRP should be considered a security took a big turn when Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's chief legal officer, talked about how he thought the case would end and what the CC should do next. Alderoty made a comment that quickly went viral in the crypto community. He was sure that the SEC would not appeal the recent court ruling that they did not register XRP sales to institutions. This was a lot less than the $2 billion that the SEC had originally asked for. More importantly, the court made it clear that XRP is not a security in and of itself. Alderoty and many others see this as a major victory for the whole crypto business, not just Ripple. The SEC has dropped the XRP case and now wants to work with us on a possible XRP ETF approval. King XRP tweeted, "This shows how happy people are about Ripple's legal win." This decision not only saved Ripple from huge fines, but it also set a standard that could change how coins are regulated in the US. It was made clear by the court's ruling, which Alderoty said was very important, what a security is. And by saying that XRP is like gold, the court has pretty much made a line in the sand, putting cryptocurrencies apart from traditional assets. Alderoty thinks this could lead to more fair and nuanced rules in the future, making it easier for governing bodies and the crypto business to work together. The fair and balanced decision by the court is a big reason why Alderoty thinks the SEC won't file an appeal. He said that going to court again would probably make things worse instead of better, especially since the court's decision has already given the business a lot of information. Alderoty said if the SEC acted reasonably, it would make sure the court delivered a reasonable outcome which showed that he was sure the ruling would be final. Another thing Alderoty said was that Ripple's XRP trades had not caused any losses or been connected to fraud. This lack of harm, along with the court's logic, makes the case that the decision was fair and right stronger. This case could have big effects on other areas of life. The CC may now want to work with the crypto industry to approve an XRP exchange-traded fund. This could be the start of a new era of cooperation between the crypto industry and officials. Instead of competing with each other, people might start to work together to make the market more developed and regulated, which would protect investors and encourage new ideas. But this isn't the end of the fun. A lot of people are talking about how quickly XRP Ripple could grow, and I promise you that what's next will shock you. You believe you've seen everything. Not so fast. We've never seen a bullish warning like this before, and it's about to take the crypto world by storm. It made a lot of noise on X when market expert Dark Defender said that XRP could reach an all-time high of $333. Some people might think this is crazy, especially since XRP was worth between 61 and 63 cents at the time the forecast was made. Dark Defenders are confident, though, because XRP has been making steady progress. For example, it went up 35% in just 7 days, reaching an annual high of 74 cents. He wrote, "People think I am here for 3.5 or 18 years, high or 18 years, highlighting his long-term goal. I'm here for at least 333. To put this in perspective, XRP would have gone up an amazing 45,000% from where it is now to $333. That kind of rise would be famous, especially for an asset that has been in trouble with the government for almost 4 years. But for people who know about the Bitcoin market, this isn't just a pipe dream. It's a chance based on patterns and trends that have been seen over time. A bull pennant pattern that formed on XRP's 7-year chart is one of the most interesting signs that this bullish view is correct. Locked in all my years of trading crypto, I have never seen a 7-year-long bull pennant. Michael, an experienced trader, said in a note about this unusual pattern. It's possible that one of the biggest breaks in crypto history is about to happen. That's why many people think that XRP's recent gains are just the start. This pattern usually means that a strong upward trend will continue. That being said, this optimism isn't just based on technical trends. Most people in the XRP community are optimistic, and traders and experts are getting ready for what could be a huge rise. A crypto analysis company called Santiment said in a recent study that traders are reacting to price changes by changing how they feel. Since XRP came out this week, there have been a lot of hopeful stories. A lot of the time, this rise in positive mood comes before big price changes, as more buyers believe that a rally is about to happen. Then there are the tweets that make things even worse. The XRP community also knows Jack the Ripper as the longer the base, the higher in space. And he said this on Twitter. People are becoming more and more sure that XRP's long time of consolidation and building the foundations is about to pay off in a big way. This was also said by Amonix in a tweet. The long-awaited big explosion in XRP is coming very soon, indicating that a big change is about to happen in the market. Even though things are exciting, it's important to remember that getting to $333 won't be easy. XRP will have to pass a number of important hurdles. The first is breaking through the $1 barrier, which many traders see as the next big obstacle. However, some experts are warning investors to be cautious and say that there will be a period of consolidation before any major breakout. The The general mood is still positive. People are feeling good about XRP and institutional interest is growing. This means that XRP is getting ready for something big. It gets more interesting after that. The world is buzzing about the news that the president of Ripple just dropped. She talked about Ripple's big plan to use its cutting-edge technology to take over the world's banking world. And believe me, what's next will not prepare you. Everything will be different now. With the launch of its new stablecoin, Ripple USD, Ripple Labs is once again making moves in the crypto world. RLUSD is designed to keep the value of $1 fixed. It will be a key part of changing cross-border payments and making the XRP ledger more useful. Monica Long, president of Ripple, said that RLUSD is fully backed by a separate stock of cash and other assets that can be used as money. This makes it stable and reliable. Ripple's big plan to give users all over the world more options and liquidity is shown by the start of RLUSD on both the XRP ledger and the Ethereum blockchain. Using this stablecoin on multiple blockchains is not only a show of Ripple's technological prowess, but it also sets the stage for a more flexible and interconnected financial environment. Ripple's decision to connect RLUSD to Ethereum, which is one of the most popular blockchains, shows that it wants to grow its reach and impact in the world of digital finance. RLUSD is in private beta on both the XRP ledger and the Ethereum mainnet. This is a very important stage where Ripple is thoroughly trying the stablecoin's safety, efficiency, and dependability. Monica Long stressed that this beta process is very important to make sure that RLUSD meets all the requirements before it is made public. The fact that Ripple chose to be so careful shows how committed the company is to keeping trust and honesty in its products. But as has been said for a long time, RLUSD can't be bought or traded yet because it needs to be approved by regulators. This careful rollout shows that Ripple knows how important it is to follow the rules in today's crypto market, which is changing very quickly. The main idea behind Ripple's plan for RLUSD is openness. This stablecoin is fully backed by US dollar deposits, short-term US government bonds, and other cash equivalents. This makes sure that it is always equal to $1. To keep the public's trust, Ripple has hired a third-party accounting company to check the reserve assets. They plan to release monthly proofs of this. This amount of openness is very important because it not only gives users more faith, but it also sets a new standard for stablecoins in the business. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? What do you think about the XRP Ripple token? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. We'd be interested to know. This video has now come to an end.